I have the pleasure today to introduce Kathrin Hubscher, who is a development engineer at RISE and will tell us about screen-printed sensors on flexible substrates for use in everyday applications. Kathrin, over to you.
Thanks a lot, Krista, for introducing me. And welcome everyone to my presentation about the screen-printed and flexible sensors that we're developing at RISE. I'm sorry, my PowerPoint is lagging.
Kathrin, if you...
Yes.
Oh, good.
Seems to work. Yeah, sorry. I will be starting off with introducing RISE and what we are doing before I will go into a variety of different sensors that we are developing and producing at RISE. So who are we at RISE? RISE is the Research Institute of Sweden. So we are located in a lot of different locations throughout Sweden. And we are sort of the link between academia and industry. So we have projects both with academia, we work together closely with Linköping University in Sweden, but we also have a lot of projects that are together with industry partners. And I personally am located in the printed electronics arena in Norrköping. So in the printed electronics arena, we are around 30 researchers that are doing research and development in printed electronics and bioelectronics. So we have a broad expertise and a lot of different equipment as well. We have different screen printing equipment. We have a small one for prototyping, but we also have a bit of bigger machine where we can do small manufacturing. And to complement the screen printing, we also have inkjet printing equipment. And for both screen printing and inkjet printing, we are developing and producing some of our own inks as well. And we also do the mounting and the assembly to get a final product and the hardware design as well. So we do full systems. And here are some of the areas that we work in. We have devices in energy harvesting and storage. We have an electrochromic display, which is a very thin and low energy display. We're printing transistors and circuits, but we also integrate conventional electronics with our printed electronics to gain the advantages from both worlds. So who am I? I studied material science in Switzerland and have then moved to Sweden to work at RISE 2 years ago. And I am developing and prototyping mostly in the screen printing area. So I'm the one printing and then developing and improving the devices. Screen printing is a very well-known and robust process where you layer by layer can build up your device. And it's a great thing because you can upscale it to roll printing as well, which allows you to create a large volume in a very short time. And you can use a broad variety of different inks, and also we can print on different substrates. Normally we print on a thin plastic sheet, but it's also possible to print on paper or on textile. So with that introduction of RISE, I would like to start with the first sensor, which is the touch sensor. And for that, I would like to present a project called the Paper-Mediabook, which was done within different projects, within Biocom Lab, GreenSense, and the Digital Cellulose Center. And it was a collaboration between RISE and also the University of Linköping. And the idea was to create a so-called Paper-Mediabook. So it's a hard copy book that is connected to a digital device, so a laptop or a mobile phone. But the user interface is the book itself. So within the hard copy book, you have buttons that you can press. So this was designed for elderly people that are not as used to working with the digital device, but are more used to the hard copy book. So I will go into more detail for these touch sensors.